Hello friends, good evening, welcome to NEET World. This is your Abhilash Sir, Mathematics faculty for JEE, EAP set, K set and also Foundation. So like you know, this is our questionnaire session. So we were discussing JEE Main 2025 questions pertaining to integration chapter. So let us continue with our discussion when it comes to JEE Main integration questions of 2025 that was asked in both January shift and also April shift. But before that, I'd like to give you one very important information. Like I told you, from 1st July, our batch for long term JEE Mains has started. Similarly, NEET long term batch has also started. Okay, but there is still an opportunity for you to join because the second batch for JEE long term is starting from 15th July. So please start enrolling and start preparing with lot of confidence and clarity to prepare well and face the examination and come out successful. Okay, so this is about the course details that I want to tell you. Same thing for NEET, the second batch is starting from what? For BPC stream students, it is starting from July 15th. Okay, got it. So let us start with our discussion on these questions. They are all JEE Main 2025 integration questions. All right. So these are all actually, they are not directly integration questions. They come under mainly integration chapter, but there are some concepts which are from other chapters as well. I can say these are mixed concept questions predominantly dominated by integration. Okay, so you can see the function of R be twice differentiable function such that f of 2 is equal to 1 if f of x is equal to x times f of x, capital F of x this is. Okay, be careful. For all x belonging to real numbers, 0 to 2 x f dash of x is equal to 6. Okay, and 0 to 2 x square f double dash of x is equal to 40. Then f dash of 2 plus 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to what? So you might be thinking they have given so many details from where to start. Okay, understand one thing such that f of 2 is equal to 1 if f of x is equal to this one. These are all what? These are all nothing but these are all conditions. Okay, these are all conditions that they have given. Okay, these are all conditions that they have given. Okay, now from here this is 0 to 2 x times f of dash of x dx is equal to 6. From there I will start the question. Okay, these are all what? They are given the condition. So let me take this, let me then take this. Okay, so first let me take this. What they have given? They have given 0 to 2, what they have given? 0 to 2 x times f dash of x dx. Okay, this is given equal to what? This is given equal to 6. I'll write equal to 6 here. Okay, let me write here, or we can write it here also, not a problem. So this will become equal to 6. All right. So what is this? This is nothing but what? This is first function, this is second function. I can take it. I have to integrate by parts. Okay, I have to integrate by parts. Correct? No, I have to integrate by parts. So this will be the first function. So this will become what? X times f of x. This will just be f of x. After integrating this, it will become just directly f of x. Okay, f of x 0 to 2 minus d by dx of x is nothing but what? It is nothing but 1. So 0 to 2 what it is? 0 to 2 f of x dx. Already one times it is integrated, so f dash of x will become f of x dx. Okay, 0 to 2 f of x dx. So this is equal to what, friends? It is given as equal to 6. Now if I apply the limits, the lower limit is anyway 0. So upper limit is what? 2 times capital F of 2. Okay, capital F of 2 dx. Capital F of 2. This is what? Minus 0. Minus 0 minus 0 to 2 f of x dx. This is equal to what? We will get it equal to 6. Okay. Now this capital F of 2 is nothing but small f of 2, because after integrating this will become small f. So this will become 2 times small f of 2 minus 0 is nothing but, I can write it as it is, minus 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to what? What I got is equal to 6. Clear till here? That's it. We are doing what? Integration by parts. Now what will happen is, as I proceed further, what they have given? F of 2 is equal to what they have given? F of 2 is equal to 1. So they have given what? F of 2 is equal to 1. So that I will use it here. So f of 2 is given as equal to 1. So this will become what, friends? So this will become equal to, 2 times what it is? 2 times f of 2 is nothing but 2 times of 1 minus 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to 6. Okay, 2 times 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to 6. This is what I have. Now on further proceeding, just I have to put the values. So this will become what, friends? 2 times 2 into 1 is 2. So this will become minus 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to 6 minus 2. Okay, is equal to what I will get? I will get it equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, just let me check. This will be of 2 times f of 2. Okay, f of 2 is what it is equal to? F of 2 is equal to what I am getting, f of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, f of 2 is equal to 1. So this will become what? X times means this will become 2 times f of 1. So this will become 6 minus 2. This will become equal to what, friend? This will become equal to 4. Okay, this will become equal to 4. So I'll take what? This will become equal to minus 0 to 2 f of x dx will be equal to 4. But actually here minus sign, I'll send it that side. This will become equal to what? This will become equal to, see here, this minus sign, if I send it that side, this will become equal to f of x 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to what? F of x dx is equal to minus 4. This is what I'll have. This will be equal to minus 4. Now based on this, if I see, let us verify this, 0 to 2 x times f dash of x dx. Okay, I have got this one, 2 times f of 2. 2 times f of 2 means it is 2 times f of 2 is not, the value of f of 2 is nothing but 1. So 2 into 1. So this is nothing but equal to 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So 0 to 2 f of x dx, this is what I will get it as, equal to minus 4. So I got 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to what? Minus 4. So here I can put the value as what? This will be equal to what? This will be equal to minus 4. This value will be equal to minus 4. Now I want to find what? F dash of 2. F dash of 2. So for that, let me take this value. And again integrate by parts. And again I should do what? I should integrate by parts. So 0 to 2 f of x dx is equal to minus 4. Now let me take that function. What is the function that we have? The function that we have is, let me take it here. Let me take the function here. So you can focus here, 0 to 2 x square f double dash of x dx. Correct? No? On applying integration by parts, what I can get? This will be equal to x square into f dash of x dx minus what it is, 0 to 2 into 2 times x square is 2x, 2 times x into what is it? 2 times x into f dash of x dx. Alright, 2 times 0 to 2 into f dash x times f dash of x dx. This is what I have. Okay, x square is nothing but, if a derivative of x square is 2 times x, 0 to 2 f dash of x, 0 to 2 x times into f dash of x dx. Now what I'll have is, this will be what? I should put here limits, 0 to 2 to put the limits. So this will be 0 to 2. Now x times f dash of x, what I can take here, this will become equal to what? F of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, f of x is equal to 2 times f of x. Okay, so definitely here I have done some mistake. So this will become what? If I have to put small f, or if I have to put small value of f of x, so this will become equal to what? See here, this will become equal to, have a look at it. So this will become equal to, see here, this will be 2 times x of f of x. X of f of x is 2. So 2 into 2 times f of 2. 2 into 2 times small f of 2. Because we are using this. Because capital F of x is equal to x f of x times small f of x, or f of 2 will be equal to 2 times f of 2. Okay, so that will become what? 2 times f of 2 is nothing but equal to what? 2 into 1. So that will be equal to 2. So here we have, outside 2 is also there. Here 2 times f of 2 is nothing but equal to what I get? 2. Okay, so this will become what, friend? This will become equal to what? This will become equal to 2 to the 4. Okay, this will become equal to 4. So 6 minus 4 is nothing but equal to 6 minus 4. This should become 6 minus 4. Okay, this should become equal to 6 minus 4. Okay, all right. This will become equal to, just this will be 2. This will be minus 2. So the here what I'll get here is nothing but equal to minus 2. Just focus. This is minus 2. I get it. Okay. Now I have, this is what? 0 to 2 x times f dash of x. F times x times f dash of x. Okay, x times f dash of x, what I can do? So x times f dash of x, I can write it as what? So this will be equal to x square. X square means 2 square is nothing but 4. Okay, f dash of 2, this will become what? F dash of 2. That is nothing but what? F dash of 2. I should write it as f dash of 2. Okay. Now this value is equal to what? This value is equal to 40. This value is equal to what? 40 minus integral of 2 times 0 to 2 x times f dash of x. X times f dash of x, what I should do? I should again integrate by parts. Okay, I should again integrate by parts. What will this become? Focus here. So x times f dash of x, 0 to 2, this will become x times, this will become what, friends? This will become x times what it is? F dash of x. If I integrate, I'll get it as f of x. I'll get it as f of x minus this will be 0 to 2, this will be 0 to 2 integral of f of x dx, integral of f of x dx. Now this will be 4 times f dash of 2, okay, 4 times f dash of 2. So 40 is equal to what? 4 times f dash of 2, okay, minus 2 times this is what? X times f of x. So this will become equal to what? X times f of, this will become equal to what? X times f of x means f of x I can write it in terms of small value, so that is nothing but equal to, this will be 2 times, okay, 2 times f of x is nothing but, it is nothing but equal to what? 2 times this is what? This is nothing but equal to minus 2 times, this will be x times f of x can be written as what? X times f of x can be written as, focus here what I have written here, x times f of x can be written as, x times f of x can be written as, or f of x can be written as x f of x, f of x can be written as f of x, f of x, okay, x f of x, that is nothing but equal to what? That is nothing but equal to, this will be again 2 into what it is, 2 into f of 2, f of small 2, that is nothing but equal to, I will get it as 1, I will get it as equal to 1, minus 0 to 2, 0 to 2 f of x dx, 0 to 2 f of x dx, this is what I have, I am continuing from here. Now what I will get here, focus here, so this will become what? 40 is equal to 4 times f dash of 2 minus 8, okay, minus 8, minus this 2 is outside, this 2 will come, this 2 is outside, right, this 2 will come for everything here, okay, this 2 will come for everything here, so 2 should come here also, this should become plus and this will become plus, okay, minus into minus, this will become plus, so plus 2 times 0 to 2 f dash of x to 0 to 2 f of x, 2 times f of x is nothing but equal to 0 to 2 f of x dx is nothing but equal to what? It is equal to minus 2, this will be equal to minus 2. So what I will get, 40 is equal to 4 times f dash of 2, okay, capital F dash of 2 minus 8 plus 2 2s are 4, okay, 2 2s are 4 means this is nothing but equal to what? This is nothing but equal to 8, this is what? 2 2s are 4, this will become minus 4. So I will get it equal to what? 4 times, this is what? This is nothing but equal to, I will get it as 8 plus 4, this is nothing but 12. So I will get it as equal to 52 f dash of 2, I will get it as equal to what? F dash of 2 will be equal to 52 by 4. I will get it as equal to what? F dash of 2 is nothing but equal to 52 by 4, that is 4 ones are, okay, 4 ones are 4 13s are. So I will get f dash of 2 will be equal to what? F dash of 2 will be equal to 13, this is the value I will get it. I understand it is little bit calculative, but conceptually it is very simple, like I say, conceptually it is simple. So nothing much to worry about it. So this is what? F dash of 2 I will get it as equal to 13. F dash of 2 I will get it as equal to 13, and what I should put this value? They are asking us what? Actually they are asking us what? They are asking us to find this one. Okay, f dash of 2 plus integral of 0 to 2 f of x, capital F of x dx. Okay, f dash of 2 what I got? 13. Okay, this is what? This value what I got? That is nothing but equal to minus 2. So 13 minus 2 is nothing but 11. So the correct answer to this question is option D, that is 11 is the right answer to this question. Clear? Clear friends? 11 is the right answer to this question. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. This is the way you have to solve this question. Okay, first thing, it's a concept based question and also mixed concept question. Conceptually integration involved is to only some extent, but the amount of modification or manipulation you have to do is very important, because you have to take this function and then this function, whatever you get the value you have to substitute it here, then it will be easy for you to solve. Okay, so you have to understand the approach from where to start the question, that is most important than getting the answer. Don't focus on getting the answer, focus from where I am starting the question, how I am approaching the question, then getting the answer will just be a byproduct. Clear? Let us move to the next question friends. Let me minimize this so that you can look at the solution. Okay, this is the solution for this question. Okay, I have written detailed solution, you can take screenshot if you want, okay, of this question. Let us move to the next question now. This is also mixed concept based question. So what they are asking here, first focus here. First they are asking, let f of x is equal to 0 to x 3 times t square minus t, okay, whatever is given, x is greater than 1, okay, x is greater than 1 and less than 5. If the range of f of x f is alpha comma beta, then 4 times alpha plus beta is equal to, x is greater than 1 and less than 5. So first of all, this is nothing but what I can apply here, it is in terms of t. Here x is there, okay, here x is there, see here x is there, but here it is given in terms of t, but I want it in terms of x. What I can use? Let me use Leibniz rule. Okay, let me use Leibniz rule. If I use Leibniz rule, this will become as what? F of x. This is what I should do. This I should differentiate. I should what? Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So this will become what? F dash of x will be equal to what? F dash of x will be equal to x times into x square minus 9x plus 20 into d by dx of upper limit, that is d by dx of x will be equal to nothing but equal to 1. Okay, minus the lower limit. We have to put the lower limit and d by dx of lower limit, but here it is 0, so no point in continuing with that. So let us keep it as it is. Now f dash of x, I got it as it is now, like this. Now if I find the factors of this, x square minus 9x plus 20 can be written as what? Can be written as x square minus, what I can write it, x square minus 4x plus 5x plus 20. Okay, on factorizing this, what I will get? On factorizing this, what I will get? X into x minus 5 into x minus 4. This is what I will get. X into x minus 5 into x minus 4. This is what I will get on factorizing this. Okay, so if I look at this, where will the function split, or where will the value of x will lie? If I take it, so this will be the values of x I will get. So on the number line, this is the values of x I will get, that is 5, 4, okay, and 1. This will be plus, this is minus, okay, this is plus, okay, this will be plus, this will be minus, and this will be, just a minute, let me write again. So these are the numbers 5, 4, and also what is it? It is 0. So this will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So this is what? This is nothing but what? This is wavy curve method. Wavy curve method. Okay, this concept is the basics. When we do the basics, you would have learnt it. Okay, this is nothing but what? Wavy curve method. Anyways, again once again I'll come up with the basic series where you will understand lot of concept. This is nothing but what? Wavy curve method. That is, the function x will split at 0, 4 and 5. So we have to check it what are the points 0, 4 and 5. But here most importantly, okay, but here what they are telling us, x should be greater than 1. X should be greater than 1, but we will come to that point later. So first let us check this. First let us find the, we got this one. So first let us find f dash of x is given as what? F dash of x, if I multiply by x, this if I multiply by x within inside, what I will get? This will be x cube minus 4x square, okay, x cube, not this one. Instead of this one, let us take this one directly, this function let us take it. So this will become what, friends? F dash of x will be equal to what? Because I want f of x, not f dash of x. F of x is nothing but equal to what? F dash of x is nothing but equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 20x. This is what I have, correct? No. Now I want f of x. So I should do what? I should integrate on both the sides with respect to dx. What I will get on integrating? If I integrate on both sides, I will get, this one will be f of x. This will become what? X power 4 by 4 minus 9 into x power 3 by 3. This is 3 ones are 3x cube. Okay, plus 20 into x power 2 by 2 plus c. This is what I have. On simplification, what I will get? F of x is equal to x power 4 by 4 minus, what is this? 3x cube plus 10x square plus c. Now they are telling if I put x is equal to 0, because why I am putting x is equal to 0? They themselves are saying the lower limit is 0. Okay, the lower limit itself is equal to 0. That means what? This f of x will be equal to 0. When I put x is equal to 0, f of x will become equal to 0. So I can put this one will become equal to 0. So this will become what? 0, 0, 0. So 0 plus c will be equal to 0. So I will get c is equal to 0. So ultimately what I will have this function? So f of x will be equal to what? F of x will be equal to x power 4 by 4 minus 3x cube plus 10x square. This is what I will have. This is what I will have. Okay, this is what I will have. Now what I should do, friends? This is what I will have. So what are my points? My points are 0, okay, 4 and 5. If I put 0, okay, I will get 0 itself. I cannot take 0 because they are telling x should be lying between 1 and 5. Okay, so let me take x is equal to 1. If I put x is equal to 1, what I will get? 1 by 4 minus 3 plus 10. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 3, okay, 1 by 4 minus 3 plus 10. This is what I am getting. So that is nothing but equal to what? If I take the LCM, LCM will be 4. This will be 1 minus 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12 plus this will be 40. So this will become 41 minus 12. 41 minus 12 is 41 minus 12 is, it is nothing but 29 by 4. Okay, so when x is equal to 1, I am getting 29 by 4. Now let me take f of 4. If I take f, I should take 4 now. 1 I checked, I took 1, I checked it. Okay, for f of 4 what I will get? 4 power 4 divided by 4 is nothing but what? Divided by 4 is nothing but I will get 4 cube. Okay, I will get 4 cube. Okay, minus 3 into 4 cube, 3 into 4 cube plus 10 into 4 square. So what I can take? 4 square I can take common. This will become what? 4 minus, this is nothing but equal to what? This is nothing but equal to 3 into 4 minus, this is nothing but 4 square. If I take 4 square common, this will become equal to 4. Just a minute, this will become equal to 4. So this will become what? 3 into 4 is nothing but, I can write it as 12. 4 minus 12. If I take 4 square common, this will become 12 plus this is 10. So what I will get, friends? 4 square is 16, this is 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 minus 12 is 2. So I will get equal to what? 32. So I will get the value as 32. F of 4 I will get it as 32. Now let me check for f of 5. Let me check for f of 5. Okay, f of 5 is what? If I check f of 5, what I am getting? F of 5 is, that gives me, that is I will get it as 5 power 4 by 4 minus 3 into 5 cube, okay, plus 10 into 5 square, 10 into 5 square. This is what I have. If I take 5 square common, this will become what? This will become equal to what? This will become equal to 5 square common means this will become equal to 25 by 4, 25 by 4 minus 3 into 5 is 15 plus 10. This is what I have. Okay, all right. Now on solving this, what I will get? F of 5 they are asking. So on solving this, what I will get? So f of 5 is what? F of 5 will be equal to 5 square is 25 minus LCM is 4, 25 minus 1 4 is 4, 15 4 is 60 plus 40 plus 40. So this will be equal to what? F of 5 is equal to 25 into 40 plus 25 is 65, 65 minus 60 is 5. So that is nothing but equal to 5 by 4. Okay, that will be 125 by 4. So 125 by 4. So out of this, the minimum value I am getting for f of 1, I am getting the minimum value. Okay, for f of 1 I am getting the minimum value. Maximum value, if I divide 120 by 4, I am getting, this is nearly equal to 30 point something. This is nearly equal to 30 point something, nearly. But the maximum value I am getting for f of 4. Okay, the maximum value I am getting for f of 4, because this is 32, this is 30.1. So what I should take alpha and what I should take beta? I should take alpha is equal to lowest value. Alpha is lowest value, that is 29 by 4, that is f of 1, and beta I should take it as f of 4. Okay, so what I will get? So here what I will get, friends? So alpha I should take it as what? Alpha will be equal to f of 1, that is what? That is nothing but 29 by 4. Beta will be equal to what? It will be equal to f of 4, that is maximum value, that is 32. Okay, now what they are asking us? They are asking us to find what? I think 4 times alpha plus beta they are asking. Okay, they are asking us to find 4 times alpha plus beta. They are asking us to find what? 4 times alpha plus beta. See, the question revolves around integration and also mainly wavy curve method. That is why wavy curve method is important. So that is why in basics class when we teach the wavy curve method, please pay attention. You should know what is signum function, what is modulus function, okay, what is greatest integer function, and also what is wavy curve method. All these concepts you must be clear. So 4 times alpha plus beta, 4 times alpha is nothing but what? 4 times alpha is 29 by 4 plus beta is nothing but what? Beta is nothing but 32. Okay, if I multiply by 4, here, this will become 29 plus 4 into 32. 4 into 32 is 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So 128 plus 29. So 128 plus 28 is 156 plus 1 is 157. That is nothing but option B. So option B is the right answer to this question. Okay, option B is the right answer to this question. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, the most important thing is this applying Leibniz rule. Applying Leibniz rule, that is my key step in this question. Applying Leibniz rule is the key step in this question. Clear, friends? So the answer to this question is 157, JEE Main 2025, 29 January. Okay, that is second shift question. Okay, got it? This is how we have to solve this question. Okay, I'll come. Okay, this is how we have to solve this question. Got it? Now let us move to the next question, friends. Okay, let us move to the next question. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, have a look at the question, we will solve. Have a look at the question, we will solve. Now the question that they are saying is that f of x is equal to 0 to x. Okay, same question has come. Okay. Let me take that question, just a minute. Let me take that question. Okay, this is the question. So this is the question, friends. So this is a little calculative, but conceptually it is very simple. When looking at the question, no need to panic. First of all, read the question carefully. What is the concept that they are asking? You have to apply, that's it. No need to panic at all. Got it? So have a look at the question. So look what they are telling. Look what they are telling. This is a numerical value based question. This is what? Numerical value based question. This is quite calculative, but conceptually very simple. So what they are telling, if some integral d of x is equal to, they have given, okay, here alpha is given, here beta is given, then they are asking us to find alpha plus 2 times beta. So first, simple thing is, first we have to integrate this. Let us start. This will transform into a board level question, okay, because it is calculative, but conceptually very simple. So if you are good in integration, you will solve this question. 2x square plus 5x plus 9 divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1. So this one I can write it in the form which is useful for me to bring it to the form of denominator. So look at the numerator, try to bring it to the form of denominator. That means I can write this as equal to integral of, I can write this as what? If I take 2 common, I can write this as, before like taking 2 common, let me write here. This can be written as what, friends? This can be written as 2x square plus, instead of writing 5x, I will write it as just 2x plus, I will write it as what? I can write it as what? Just I will write it as 2. Now what is left? Out of 5x, 2 is taken. Remaining what is left? Remaining 3x is left. Out of 9, 2 is taken. What is left? 7 is left. 3x plus 7 dx divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So this is what they have given. Now what I can take? Here 2 I can take common. So this will become transform into what? This will transform into 2 times integral of x square plus x plus 1 divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1. I am separating and dividing it, plus this will become what? 3x plus 7. Okay, this will be dx. This will become dx. This will become what? Plus 1 dx. This 2 will come. This 2 I have to take common only for this one. Okay, this 2 will come common only for this one. Plus this will become what? This will become integral of what it is. Okay, this 2 will come common only for this one. This will become integral of 3x plus 7 dx divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1. Square root of x square plus x plus 1. This is what I have. Now what I have to do here? X square plus x plus 1, here it is square root of x square plus x plus 1. So this can be written as what? Square root of x square plus x plus 1 into square root of x square plus x plus 1. So this will cancel out and I can write it as what? This will become equal to square root of 2 times square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. This is just basics. I hope you understood how I wrote this. Now plus 3 times x plus 7 divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, this is what I got. This is what I got it transformed into. Now what I have to do? Let me name this as I1. This will be I2. First let me find I1. Okay, first what I will do? First let me find I1. To find I1, let us start. Okay, this is what I have. Let me find I1. Okay, so this is what I have. I have to find I1. So let I1 is equal to what? Integral of 2 times. So we know that integral of, let me write down the formula here. I have to find I1, correct? No, I have to find I1. So first of all, I know that integral of this is nothing but what? Before that, let me reduce it to a form by completing the completing the square method. This will be what? X square plus x plus 1, correct? No, this will become what? I1 will be equal to 2 times square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx, right? This is the value here. So this x square plus x plus 1, here coefficient is 1. So I have to add and subtract what? 1 by 2 whole square. If I add and subtract 1 by 2 whole square, I will get it equal to I1 is equal to square root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 minus 1 by 4 will give me what? Will give me 3 by 4. So I can write it as 3 by 4, I can write it as what? Square root of 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 2 whole square. So this is of which form? This of integral of, this is nothing but integral of, I should write integral. Okay, integral of square root of a square plus x square, where a is nothing but equal to what? A is nothing but equal to x plus 1 by 2. Okay, not a, this is x. So x will be equal to what? Here x is nothing but equal to x plus 1 by 2, and a is nothing but equal to what? A is nothing but equal to what? Root 3 by 2. A is nothing but equal to root 3 by 2. So integral of a square plus x square dx is nothing but equal to what, friends? The formula is x by 2 into square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of what it is? Log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula that we have. So we have to use this formula here. Got it? To use this formula here. This exact formula we have to apply here. Nothing much is there. Only using the formula we can solve this question. Just use the formula, apply it here, we will get the answer. Clear? Now let us put the formula into use here. Okay, let us put our formula into use here. So if I put the formula here, what I will get? This 2 will be outside. Let me write 2 outside. So this will become 2 times x by 2. X is nothing but what? X plus 1 by 2 by 2. Okay, x plus 1 by 2 by 2. Okay, into square root of a square plus x square. Square root of a square plus x square is nothing but x square plus x plus 1. That is what I got. So let me write it as x square plus x plus 1. From that is where I got square root of x square, a square plus x square. This is nothing but equal to x square plus x plus 1. So let me write the same thing as it is, plus what I have, plus a square by 2. A is nothing but what? A is nothing but root 3 by 2. They are asking a square by 2. That will become what? 3 by 4 into log of x plus, what is it? What is it that we have? X plus, x is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. Okay, x square plus x plus 1. This is plus c. This is plus c. So this will be square root of 3 by 2. This is a by 2, no? This will be a by 2. A square by 2 means this will be a square by 2. 3 by 4 by, this will be 2. Okay, I will have 3 by 2. So careful here. This will become what, friend? This will become equal to 3 by 4, nothing but that will become equal to 3 by 2. Now what I can do here? This 2 I can cancel with this and this. Okay, now I am left with x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 times log of x plus 1 by 2, x by 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1. That is what I have. So I have got what? I got I1. What did I get? I got I1. I got I1. Don't be happy. Yeah, you should be happy that you got I1, but still we have to find what? We have to find I2. Correct? No, we have to find I2. So how to find I2? So what is that I2 that we have? This is 3x plus 7 square root of x square plus x plus 1. So for this one, what I can do is, this one I will write it here. This 3x plus 7 can be written as what? D by dx of this numerator, a times d by dx of this numerator, a times d by dx of this denominator plus b. I can write it as d by dx of this denominator is what? X square plus x plus 1 plus a times plus b. Correct? No? So 3x plus 7 will be equal to what? A times d by dx. A times d by dx of this is nothing but 2x plus 1 plus b. Got it? Plus b. Now we have to equate the coefficients. So this is what? This is 2ax is equal to 3. Correct? No? 2ax is equal to 3, or I can write it as what? Let me write it here. 3x plus 7 is equal to 2ax plus a plus b. Okay, so 2ax is equal to 3. Correct? No, 2ax is equal to 3. So 2a is equal to what is this? If we equate the coefficients of x, 2a is equal to 3. This implies a is equal to what? A is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. Now constant is what? Constant is a plus b. This implies a plus b is equal to what? A plus b is equal to 7. A is nothing but equal to what? A is nothing but equal to 3 by 2. So b will become equal to what? 7 minus 3 by 2. That is, b will become equal to 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 3 is 11. B will become equal to 11 by 2. We got b is equal to what? 11 by 2. Now I2 will transform into what? Let me write I2 here. Okay, let me write I2 here. Now just we have to find I2. Got it? We have to find what? I2. So I2 will be equal to integral of what it is? A times 2x plus 1. A is nothing but what, friends? A is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Okay, 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by what do we have? Divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1. Square root of x square plus x plus 1, that's it, plus b into dx plus b by square root of x square plus x plus 1. B is nothing but what? 11 by 2 into integral of 1 by square root of, what do I have? 1 by square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Okay, this is what I have. Now x square plus x plus 1, this can be written as what? This can be written as, see here, further see here, this can be written as what, friends? This is nothing but, t is nothing but I2 can be written as what? If I integrate it, 3 by 2, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but derivative of the square root of t is nothing but actually it will become square root of t itself. So this will become 3 by 2 into 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 itself. Okay, 2 cancels, plus 11 by 2 into this, after completing the square method, what I will get? I will get it as x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus a. A is nothing but what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. So we have the formula, that is 1 by square root of x square plus a square is nothing but equal to what, friends? Log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Log of, what is this? Let me write down the formula so that you understand. The formula is what? The formula is 1 by integral of 1 by square root of x square plus a square dx is equal to what? Log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, plus c. This is the formula that we have to use. This is the formula that we have to use. Now, on putting this formula into use, what I'll get? On putting this formula into use, I'll get I2 is equal to what? I2 will be equal to what? I2 will be equal to 3 times square root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, plus 11 by 2 into what is it? Log of square root of x plus, x is nothing but what? X plus 2, x plus 1 by 2 into square root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square is x square plus x plus 1 square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus c2. This is what I have. Now, what I can do? If I do I1 plus I2, what will I have? If I do I1 plus I2, okay, if I do I1 plus I2, this is equal to what? This is equal to, they are telling it this is equal to what? They are telling that this is equal to, this is completely equal to what? This is completely equal to, see here, this is completely equal to what? They are telling this is equal to alpha times, this is nothing but equal to x times square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus alpha times x square plus x plus 1 plus beta times log of x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1. This is what I have. Okay, this is what I have. Now what about I1 plus I2? I1 plus I2 is nothing but what? I1, what we got? Okay, this will be equal to what? This is I2. What we got here? This is nothing but I2. This is I2. This is I2. Okay, so I2, let me write down I1 first. So I1, I'll write it here. Okay, so I1 will be equal to what, friends? I1, what I got? That is nothing but equal to, I1 is what? This is nothing but equal to what, friends? This is nothing but equal to x plus 1 by 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, what is this? This is plus 3 times log of x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, this is, I have to write what? I2. This will be plus C2. C1 plus C2, I will write it as just C. Now I have to write I2. I2 is nothing but what? 3 times square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus 11 by 2 into log of x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus C. C1 plus C2, that is nothing but equal to C. Now if I compare this one and this one, okay, what I should take common? Let me take x square plus x plus 1 common. Okay, if I take x square plus x plus 1 common, what I will get, friends? If I take x square plus x plus 1 common, I will get it as what? I will get it as equal to what? X square plus x plus 1, if I take it as common, what will I get? What will I get if I take x square plus x plus 1 common? I will get it as equal to, I will get it as c plus 2, because I will get it as equal to, what is that is there? But I will get it as equal to, this will be x times square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, I will get it as 3 plus 1 by 2 into x square plus x plus 1. If I take whatever is within the log, this one whatever is within the log, if I take it as common, I'll get it as equal to plus 3 plus 11 by 2, 3 plus 11 by 2 log of x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus x plus 1, okay, x square plus x plus 1, I'll get it, okay. This is what I'll get it. I am comparing. C on both sides will get cancelled. Now this nothing but what, 3 plus 1 by 2, this nothing but equal to what, this nothing but equal to alpha, okay, this nothing but equal to what, this nothing but equal to, see here, focus here, this nothing but equal to alpha, this nothing but equal to what, beta. Now alpha and beta I got it, alpha and beta I got it. What is this, what is their value? Let me write down here, let me write down there. Alpha is equal to what, alpha is equal to what, 3 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but what, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Beta is equal to what, beta is equal to 3 plus 7 by 2, 3 2 is 6, okay, 6 plus what it is, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 11 is 6 plus 11 is 17, 17 by 2, that is 17 by 2, okay. What they are asking us, they are asking us to find what, they are asking us to find what, they are asking us to find, they are asking us to find, see here, alpha plus 2 times beta, they are asking us to find alpha plus 2 times beta. So that is equal to what, alpha is equal to 7 by 2 plus beta is equal to 2 times 17 by 2, so 2 cancel, so this will become 7 by 2 plus 17, so LCM is 2, this will be 7 itself, plus 17 into 2 is 34, okay, 17 into 2 is what, 34, 34 plus 7, okay, somewhere we have done the mistake, let us see, 3 plus 11 by 2, this is 3 plus 11 by 2, 2 3 is 6, okay, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus I should get 32, just a minute, alpha is 7 by 2, this will be just a minute, alpha is 7 by 2, just a minute, let me have a look at the question whether they are asking alpha by 2 or something else. Just a minute, let me check, have a check at the question. Sometimes there will be a mistake in the typo. Okay, this is actually 11 by 2, this will be 11 by 2 plus, this will be actually A, right, this will be 3 by 4, this should be actually 3 by 4 here, okay, this should be 3 by 4, 11 by 2 plus 3 by 4, alright, this should be x plus A, correct, no, this will become 3 by 4, okay, this will become 3 by 4, there I missed out, so this will become 3 by 4, correct, this will become, beta will become 3 by 4 here, so what about this one, this will become 11 by 2 into this one, 11 by 2 plus this will become 3 by 4, okay, this will remain as it is, this will become 3 by 4, 3 by 4, okay. Now what happens to this, this will, beta will change now, this will become what, beta will become what, 3 by 4 should come, so this will become what friends, 3 by 4 plus 11 by 2 as per the question, there is some mistake in the question, that's why we got wrong, now I corrected it, so this will become what, this will become what, 3 by 4, why, on comparing you will get it as this one, okay, on comparing while taking common you will get it as 3 by 4, while taking common you should be careful, got it, this will become 3 by 4 because it will multiply by 2 again, got it, so if I take LCM I will get 4, okay, this will be 3, 2 2s are what I will get, 22, this will be 25 by 4, so beta will be equal to what, 25 by 4, now alpha plus beta, alpha plus 2 times beta, correct, no, they are asking us what, alpha plus 2 times beta, now if I do it, what I will get, if I do it, 7 by 2 plus 2 times beta, so this will give me 7 by 2 plus 2 times means 2 ones are 2 2s are, so 25 by 2, so this gives me 32 by 2, okay, that is nothing but equal to 16, so the correct answer to this question is nothing but equal to 16, so the right answer to this question is 16, okay, clear friends, this is how you have to solve the question, clear, the correct answer to this question is 16, okay, it's fairly lengthy I understand, but conceptually it is of board level, not of JEE Mains level, it is of board level, but it's calculative, that's it, other than that the question is conceptually simple. You have to know the certain formulas of integration, that's it. Other than that, nothing much is there in this question. It is calculative, I understand, but what to do, you have to solve such questions also if you have to get good marks. Clear? So I'll wind up now. Okay, again I'm repeating. So July 15th, our second batch for JEE Mains and second batch for NEET is starting. So please do enroll and start preparing. Okay, I'll wind up now. Let's meet in the tomorrow session. Take care.